instantly came out and then she showed it to, means she gave it to Miss Alice. She gave it to Miss Alice. She showed the photo to Miss Alice. उसका तो मतलब कैमरा से फ़ोटो निकल गया तो उसने मिस को दिखाया. Along with a sheet of paper. Along with the photograph there was a sheet of paper. The teacher read the paper in silence and when she had finished she gestured over at the sack. So the teacher started reading the paper. When she finished reading the paper, she gestured along over the sack, means she expressed something with her body movement on seeing the sack. बस्ते को देख के कुछ किया, मतलब कुछ body movement किया मिस ने. Oh, so it is. मिस ने बोला को अच्छा तो ये बात है. Yes, interrupted Carla. Undoing the knot which sealed the sack, it is a great pile of smiles. अब कार्ला ने बोला हाँ ये बात है. अब कार्ले ने she undoing the knot means she was started opening the knot, means it was tied, no, that is called a knot. She started opening and she was telling that it's a great pile of happy smiles. ये बस्ता भरा था खुशियों से. ठीक है, this much for today. The next portion we will do in the next class. Bye bye. Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So we are again back to our class after a long time and hope so that you have given your exams also well. You were done well in your exams. So today I am here with a new chapter number 6, the chain of smiles. So students, you turn to page number 45 and there you will get the chapter the chain of smiles. So I hope that you all are ready. So let's begin the chapter. So before beginning the chapter, see, we can see that there is this is a picture of a school, of a classroom, and this is a teacher and these are her students. She is a teacher, these are her students. So from this we can understand that the story is about the classroom, a certain classroom. मतलब ये स्टोरी एक क्लासरूम के बारे में होगा. One day Miss Alice gave her pupils a new assignment, an assignment on happiness. One day what happened? Miss Alice, that means the name of the teacher is Miss Alice. Miss Alice gave her students an assignment, a new assignment, मतलब एक project दिया मिस ने. Okay, Miss gave them a project, an assignment on happiness. Project she has given on what? On happiness. The topic was happiness. किसके ऊपर दिया? टॉपिक क्या था? हैप्पीनेस. हैप्पीनेस के ऊपर एक प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया, सबको असाइनमेंट दिया गया. Her pupils would be happiness collectors and were to see what would happen when they tried to bring happiness to those around them. So now project में क्या था, क्या करना था? Her pupils were to become happiness collectors. Sorry. बच्चों को क्या बनना था? कलेक्टर्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, खुशी कलेक्ट करने वाला बनना था. और ये देखना था कि जब वो अपने चारों ओर जो भी है उनको खुशी बांटते हैं तो क्या होता है. When they try to bring happiness to those around them, what happens at that time? As part of their assignment, all the students did wonderful things. जैसे कि उनके असाइनमेंट का पार्ट था ये कि उन्हें हैप्पीनेस लाना है सबके मुंह पर, तो उन्होंने सभी स्टूडेंट्स, सभी बच्चों ने बहुत चमत्कार, मतलब वंडरफुल थिंग्स दे डिड. All the students they did wonderful things. But what Carla Calmus did left everyone astonished. पर जो एक स्टूडेंट जिसका नाम है कार्ला कैल्मर, she did something which astonished others, means सबको चौंका देने वाला कुछ किया उसने. Carla turned up carrying a big sack. एक दिन कार्ला क्या हुआ, स्कूल में एक बड़ा सा बस्ता लेके पहुंच गई। ठीक है, सैक, मतलब एक बस्ता लेके पहुंच गई। Here in this bag I have all the happiness I have collected so far, she said smiling. अब उसने मुस्कुराते हुए ये बोला मिस को कि मिस, here are all the happiness that I have collected so far. उसने बोला कि मिस, यहाँ पे वो सारे खुशियाँ हैं जो मैंने अभी तक कलेक्ट किया, इकट्ठा किया। On seeing this, everyone was filled with expectation. But Carla did not want to show anyone what was there in the sack. ये देख के अब सबको मतलब एक्सपेक्टेशंस, मतलब ये चाहत में है कि क्या होगा बैग में, अब बस्ते में क्या होगा, सबको देखना था। लेकिन कार्ला तो किसी को दिखाने वालों में से नहीं थी। मीन्स शी वोंट शो एनीवन व्हाट वाज देयर इन द सैक। Instead, she pulled out a small box and gave it to her teacher. Instead, what happened? What did she do? She pulled out a small box and gave it to her teacher. उसने तो दिखाया नहीं किया था, लेकिन उसने क्या किया, एक छोटा सा बॉक्स निकाल के उसके मिस को दिया। When Miss Alice had taken the box, Carla took an instant camera out of her pocket and stood with it ready. Open it, Miss Alice. जब मिस ने बॉक्स पकड़ा, मिस को बॉक्स देने के बाद what did she do? She took out an instant camera. Instant camera is there, no? When you click the photograph comes out instantly. The picture comes out instantly. So with that camera, she was ready. She took it out from her pocket, and she was standing there ready. And she told Miss to open the box. As Miss Alice opened the box, a big smile shone on her face, and at that moment Carla snapped a photo. When Miss Alice opened the box, there was a smile on her face. Means opening the box, she smiled. She smiled on opening the box, and at that moment, instantly Carla clicked a snap of her smile. Okay. जब मिस ने बॉक्स खोला तो बॉक्स के अंदर जो था वो देखते ही मिस के मुंह में हंसी आ गई, और वही हंसी को कार्ला ने मतलब खींच लिया फोटो। Carla's photo popped out of the camera and she offered it to Miss Alice along with a sheet of paper. Carla's photo, as it was an instant camera, so Carla's photo instantly came out.